In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Power BI to Google Analytics. We'll walk through the exact clicks in Power BI Desktop so your Google Analytics data shows up in your report without confusion. Start by opening your Power BI Desktop app on your computer. If you already have a report, open it now. If not, a blank report is perfectly fine. On the home ribbon at the top, select Get Data. A window will open with a search bar. Type Google Analytics to quickly find the connector in the list. When it appears, select Google Analytics and click Connect. Power BI may display a notice letting you know this connector accesses an external service. Click Continue to proceed. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Use the account that has access to the property you want to analyze. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that as usual. After signing in, click Connect to establish the connection. You'll now be asked to choose a version of the connector. Select version 2.0, which is recommended for better performance and compatibility, and then click OK. After a moment, the navigator window appears. On the left, you'll see a hierarchy that expands from your Google Analytics account to the property and then to the views available within that property. Expand each level by clicking the arrows until you reach the specific view you want to work with. Next, select the metrics and dimensions you want to bring into Power BI. Metrics are the numeric values like sessions or page views. Dimensions provide the descriptive breakouts such as source, medium, device, or page path. If the preview shows an error, it usually means a particular combination isn't allowed in Google Analytics, so try removing or changing one of the fields. Use the preview pane to confirm the columns and sample rows look right before loading. When your selection is set, click Load. Power BI will import the data into your report and create the corresponding tables. Once the load completes, you can immediately start building visuals, adding filters, and creating measures using the fields you just selected. And that's the process. You opened Power BI Desktop, used Get Data to find the Google Analytics connector, signed in, chose version 2.0, navigated to your account, property, and views, picked the right metrics and dimensions, and clicked Load. Your Google Analytics data is now ready for analysis inside Power BI.